Hey, we're going to go over Chaffers and Sieves today, and mainly what we're going to look at is the S series or S6 series combines. And we have the top chaffer over here, and we have a couple of the bottom sieves as well. And we'll just start over here with the top chaffer, which we got over here is the long finger. It is the galvanized fingers as well, and it has a dual adjustment on it. So kind of just give you a quick glimpse of that. Then behind me you also have the bottom chaffers. Have the long finger and the blunt fingers here, and as you can see, they're both the galvanized fingers, just like we have on the top chaffer. So been pretty much our precedence to make sure we keep a galvanized finger versus plastic, because we do hear you as a customer always want to prefer to have that galvanized finger. So that's what we're keeping here. The one thing to keep in mind with these on your S6 series, to kind of keep in mind with the serial number. So there is a serial number range that these fit to. So we want to make sure we keep that in mind as well. We just started stocking them, so they are available and ready to ship. If you have any other or need any information on it, feel free to give us a call, 800-934-9777, or check it out on sloanex.com.